Nepal's Femi Ogunnatsyan with a time of 20.28.
और किशोर ये इस साल सबसे बेहतर समय निकालने वाले एथलीट रहे हैं। अंडर 20 19.97 समय निकाला। ये है नंबर 7 में 606 राशिद हुमेशल, ओमान के एथलीट।
Lane 4 that's from Sri Lanka, and that's Vinod De Silva of Sri Lanka. And there you have Ahmed Essam of Iraq. Lane 5. Strongest challenge for all these runners in the final heat is the man Femi Ogundo of Qatar. His brother Joseph had to drop out of heat number 3. So I'm sure Prashant he will like Emens here. Would like to bring Qatar a medal. Of course, these are the 4 heats, and the first 3 from each heat will qualify along with the 4 best losers, so to say, from the 4 heats, and that would mean that 16 athletes go into the semi-finals of the 200 meters.
यहाँ पर लेन 3, लेन 4, लेन 5 आप ध्यान दे सकते हैं। लेन नंबर 3 में फेमी स्यून है, जो न केवल पिछली चैंपियनशिप के विजेता है बल्कि इंचियोन एशियन गेम्स 2014 में भी आपने गोल्ड मेडल जीता था पुरुषों की 200 मीटर दौड़ में। फेमी स्यून, देखने वाली बात रहेगी, सबसे बेहतर समय इस साल निकाला है 19.97 सेकंड। बाकी सारे एथलीट किशोर इस बार इस साल कम से कम 20 सेकंड से ऊपर का समय दे पाए हैं। क्लियर थी 20 सेकंड से कम समय निकालने वाले 200 मीटर दौड़ में।
From Qatar, the meet record holder. Sure, all eyes would be on him. Femi Ogundo. If he can replicate the form that he showed at the Asian Championships at Wuhan in 2015, then the real challenge for the other athletes winning the 200 meter run for men. This is the final heat, 4 heats in all, and total of 16 athletes then move into the semi-finals.
अब भी क्वालिफाई करेंगे, 4 बेस्ट लूजर क्वालिफाई करेंगे सेमीफाइनल के लिए। नोजी सरंजिया डी सिल्वा लेन नंबर 4, ये भी तगड़े दावेदार रहेंगे। और अहमद एहसान इराक के एथलीट लेन नंबर 5 में दावेदारी अपनी प्रस्तुत करेंगे। तो 3, 4, 5 ये नजरों के लायक लेन रहेंगी। फेवरेट फैमी स्यून फ्रॉम कतार, 19.97 इनका बेस्ट टाइम रहा है सर।
All you've seen, this is day 3 of the 22nd Asian Athletics Championships, and been a good turnout on all the days. Today, of course, is the penultimate day of the championships, and the big day would be tomorrow. We'll have two finals even will conclude. But good to see a city like Bhubaneswar, so much of interest here, as all in readiness for the final heat of the 200 meter run for men. Hushed silence in the stadium. Just a matter of under 20 seconds. That very, very small time frame, these athletes will have to give their best. So much of pressure, high level of concentration. There they go off the blocks in a jiffy. At the moment, running from the outer lane, Hassan Tafkian. There's the man, Rashid, trying to catch up there, but in the inner lane, there's the champion there, Femi Ogunndo, and he is running superbly. The man from Qatar winning quite comfortably over there. And coming in second by the look of it was Ahmed Assam of Iraq. We will wait for official confirmation, of course. That's 6:41 tip number. 20.76 may not be his fastest time. Remember, there's only a heat. He has to qualify of it, it was indeed, without a doubt, Femi Ogunde, the meet record holder, came coming in first, and Ahmed Assam of Iraq coming in second. This is where Ahmed Assam, Ogunde, there was no doubt whatsoever, Prashant. But look at the runner from Iraq, Ahmed Assam, going past. I just think it's a Sri Lankan whom he has pipped to the post. Really superb run there. And also we had Rashid from Oman also going fast.
जैसी उम्मीद की जा रही थी बिल्कुल उसी के अनुरूप बढ़िया स्टार्ट बढ़िया तरीके से आगे बढ़े कतर के एथलीट फेवरेट रहे थे फर्स्ट टाइम और इस सीजन के लेकिन तारीफ करनी होगी बाकी एथलीटों की खासतौर से ईरान के एथलीट जिस खूबसूरती के साथ वे दूसरे स्थान पर पहुंचे उसके अलावा अगर बात की जाए तो हसन सईद मालदीव के
All in all, the final heat in which the champion ran Femi Swanogunda and won that comfortably. So that concludes all the 4 heats of the 200-meter run for men. And the best in each of the heats go directly into semi-finals. That makes it 12 athletes, and then the 4 are the best losers. That's the official confirmation. Femi Ogunde of Qatar. In second place is Ahmad Essam of Iraq and Hassan Taftian by a late surge